If I told you that among Earth's billions of protectors, the most powerful one is neither humans, nor the moon, nor even the sun, but a giant world that is so enormous that more than 1,300 Earths could fit inside it. And if this giant had never existed, there's a chance that neither you nor I would be here today. For billions of years, while life evolved on Earth, while the first oceans were forming, and while humanity was still billions of years away from existing, Jupiter was already standing watch in the darkness of space, protecting us, taking the hits that were never meant for Earth. But here's the most surprising part. Most people don't even know that it exists as our protector. Its name is Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, a world of violent storms, crushing gravity, and unimaginable power. But Jupiter's greatest secret isn't its size. It's the fact that this giant planet may have played one of the most important roles in making life on Earth possible. Without Jupiter, Earth could have faced far more catastrophic collisions throughout its history. Some scientists even believe that our planet's story might have been very different if Jupiter had never existed. So how has Jupiter protected Earth for billions of years? Has it really saved our planet from cosmic disasters? And what terrifying things could happen if Jupiter suddenly disappeared tomorrow? Today, we're uncovering the incredible story of Earth's Cosmic Bodyguard. For billions of years, Jupiter has remained exactly where it is, silently guarding the inner solar system. While life was taking its very first breath on Earth, while the first oceans were forming, and while humanity was still billions of years away from existing, Jupiter was already standing watch in the darkness of space. But protecting an entire planet is no ordinary task, because space is far more dangerous than most of us realize. At this very moment, millions of asteroids and comets are racing through our solar system at unimaginable speeds. Some are no larger than a grain of sand, while others are large enough to destroy entire continents. Earth has survived countless cosmic threats throughout its history, but that survival may not have been a matter of luck alone. Perhaps we had a guardian all along, and that guardian is beyond imagination. If Earth were the size of a grape, Jupiter would be almost as large as a basketball. More than 1,300 Earths could fit inside this giant planet. In fact, Jupiter alone contains more than 2.5 times the mass of all the other planets in our solar system combined. That's how enormous Earth's cosmic bodyguard truly is. And here's something even more astonishing. If Jupiter were only about 80 times more massive than it is today, it wouldn't be a planet at all. It could have become a star. That is how close we are to calling Jupiter a failed star. Its gravity is so powerful that it doesn't merely orbit the Sun, it shapes the destiny of countless objects traveling in space. It captures some asteroids, redirects others, and sometimes throws wandering objects completely out of their original paths. Every time Jupiter captures an asteroid, redirects a comet, or shields the inner solar system from a cosmic threat, it silently increases the odds that life on Earth survives for another day. And then came the day when humanity witnessed Jupiter protecting the solar system with its own eyes. The year was 1994. Astronomers around the world watched in disbelief as a massive comet called Shoemaker-Levy 9 wandered too close to Jupiter. The giant planet's gravity was so powerful that it literally tore the comet apart before pulling its fragments toward itself. Then came the collision. One fragment after another slammed into Jupiter's atmosphere at nearly 60 kilometers every single second. The explosions were beyond imagination. Some scientists estimated that the energy released was millions of times greater than humanity's most powerful nuclear weapons. And some of the dark scars left behind were larger than our entire planet. Jupiter took the hit. It never fought back. It simply stood there and absorbed the impact. For the very first time, humanity witnessed what Earth's cosmic bodyguard is truly capable of. Now, imagine for a moment that Jupiter had not been there. Where would Shoemaker-Levy 9 have gone? Could it have continued its endless journey through space? Could another world have crossed its path someday? No one can know for certain, but one thing is undeniable. For billions of years, Jupiter has been silently shaping the delicate balance of our solar system, capturing wandering objects, redirecting cosmic threats, and perhaps protecting the very existence of life on Earth itself. But what if this silent guardian suddenly disappeared tomorrow? The answer is more terrifying than you can imagine. But what if everything changed tomorrow? What if Jupiter suddenly vanished from our solar system? At first, nothing would seem different here on Earth. The sun would still rise, the oceans would still move with the tides. Humanity would continue with its daily life, completely unaware that something unimaginable had just happened. But slowly, the consequences would begin to unfold. You see, Jupiter isn't just another planet orbiting the sun. It is the most massive planet in our solar system. In fact, it contains more than twice the mass of all the other planets combined. Its gravity has been shaping the architecture of our solar system for billions of years. Remove Jupiter, and you're not simply removing a planet, you're removing one of the greatest gravitational forces holding this cosmic balance together. Over time, countless asteroids and comets would begin following different paths through space. Some objects that would have been captured by Jupiter might continue their journeys toward the inner solar system. The danger wouldn't arrive tomorrow or next week. It could take thousands, millions, or even billions of years for the full consequences to unfold. But one thing is certain: our solar system would no longer be the same. And suddenly, Earth could become a far more dangerous place. Imagine looking up at the night sky, knowing that somewhere in the darkness of space, a mountain-sized asteroid is traveling silently through space. An asteroid that might have been captured by Jupiter billions of years ago. Now it continues moving forward toward us. But here's something even more fascinating. The truth is, Jupiter isn't always Earth's protector. Yes, you heard that right. For decades, scientists have discovered that Jupiter plays a far more complicated role than we once imagined. While its gravity protects Earth from many cosmic threats, it can sometimes do exactly the opposite. Jupiter's immense gravitational pull can occasionally redirect objects toward the inner solar system as well. In other words, this giant planet has the power to become both a hero and a cosmic slingshot. It is neither a perfect hero nor a villain. It's something far more extraordinary than that. Jupiter is a force of nature. Without it, the Earth might have faced countless catastrophic impacts throughout its history. But because of it, some dangerous objects may also find their way toward the inner planets. And perhaps that's what makes Jupiter so fascinating. It reminds us that the universe doesn't exist in black and white. Even our greatest protector carries unimaginable power capable of changing the destiny of worlds. Tonight, when you look up at the stars, remember that somewhere in the darkness of space lies a giant world nearly 800 million kilometers away, a planet covered in violent storms larger than Earth itself, a silent guardian that has stood watch for billions of years. We rarely think about it, we never thank it, and yet it may have helped make our existence possible. Among Earth's countless protectors, perhaps the greatest one isn't found here on our planet at all. It's waiting for us in the darkness of space. Its name is Jupiter, Earth's cosmic bodyguard. If you enjoyed this journey through the universe, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Beyond Universe, and I'll see you in the next cosmic mystery.